Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive.
Always. What are we exploring today?
Today, we're going deep into the world of AI and real estate.
Yeah.
But hold on, before you picture robot realtors showing houses, we're focusing on something a bit different.
Oh, like what?
Like how AI is totally changing the game when it comes to making clients happy and keeping them coming back for more.
Right, because in real estate, it's all about building those strong relationships, being there for your clients, and responding quickly to their needs.
Exactly. And, being responsive is key in any business these days, but especially in real estate.
Yeah, absolutely.
So to get into all this, we've got some seriously interesting insights from a company called AIRE Solutions. They're diving headfirst into AI solutions specifically designed for the real estate world.
Okay, Air Solutions, AI, and real estate.
Hmm.
I'm intrigued. What are they doing that's so innovative?
Well, one of the biggest things that jumped out at me from their material is this emphasis on speed. Yeah. They're basically saying clients today, they expect answers like, right now, not tomorrow, not next week, now.
I can see that. Everything's so instant these days. People are used to getting information on their fingertips.
Exactly. It's like that instant gratification, but for houses.
Right.
I'll admit I was a little skeptical at first. But the way Air Solutions explains it, they're using AI to, analyze tons of property data and then match clients with listings that fit what they're looking for instantly.
Wow, that's impressive. So, like, if I'm a client and suddenly at 10 p.m. on a Saturday night, I decide I need to find a mid-century modern with a pool.
Boom. You get a list of potential homes right then and there.
That's powerful, and it probably makes clients feel like they're really being taken care of.
Right, like someone's got their back, even at 10 p.m. on a Saturday. But it goes beyond just finding listings. Air Solutions is also using AI to power things like chatbots and even virtual receptionists.
Ah, I see. So even when there isn't a human available, clients can still get some of their questions answered.
Exactly. But here's the thing. These aren't those annoying chatbots that just spit out canned responses. You know, the ones that make you want to scream.
Oh, I know those all too well. They can be so frustrating.
Right. But these AI chatbots are designed to actually understand natural language. They can even pick up on a client's emotions, which is kind of wild.
Motion reading bots. Okay, that's next level. Is that even possible?
Apparently. And Air Solutions says it's all about providing a more personalized and helpful experience. But honestly, the idea of a bot reading my emotions, it does feel a little, I don't know, creepy.
I can definitely see that. It sounds a bit like something out of science fiction. It makes you wonder, where do we draw the line?
Exactly. But Air Solutions does address that concern about feeling creeped out. They're big on transparency.
Right.
So clients know they're interacting with AI.
Okay, so no sneaky bots pretending to be human.
Right. And the whole point isn't to manipulate anyone, but to actually use those emotional cues to provide better service.
I can see how that could be useful. Like, if the AI senses a client is stressed or confused, it can adjust its communication style to be more, I don't know, reassuring and helpful.
Exactly. It's kind of like having a super efficient assistant who never sleeps and can sense when you need a little extra hand-holding.
Right. But that brings up another question. What about the human touch? Real estate is all about building those personal connections, right?
That's a great point. And that's where this idea of consistent follow-up comes in.
Consistent follow-up. Got it. How does AI help with that?
Well, Air Solutions is really emphasizing that AI isn't about replacing real estate agents altogether.
Okay, that makes sense.
It's more about empowering them to do their jobs even better.
I like that.
So imagine this. You're a real estate agent, you're juggling a ton of clients, things are moving fast. It's easy to let little things slip through the cracks, forget to send an update or miss a call.
Oh, yeah, I can totally see that happening.
But with AI, you can automate those follow-ups. So every client feels like they're a priority, even if you're super busy.
So it's like having a personal reminder system, but for your entire client list.
Exactly. And, from a client's perspective, getting those consistent updates, even if they're automated, it would definitely make me feel like my agent was on top of things and hadn't forgotten about me.
Right, it shows they pair.
It goes beyond just simple updates. Air Solutions is using AI to actually personalize those follow-ups too. So instead of just getting some generic message, clients are getting information that's tailored to their specific needs and interests.
Now that's smart. It's like the AI is learning what each client is looking for and then catering the communication to them.
Precisely. Okay, so we've talked about speed, we've talked about consistency. Both of those are huge. But Air Solutions also highlights this idea of enhanced communication, making it even better. And they're specifically talking about things like multilingual support and 24/7 availability.
Multilingual and 204/7. It's like they're
Yeah.
trying to break down all language and time barriers in real estate.
Yeah, pretty much.
But why is that so important?
Well, they're pointing out that the real estate world is becoming more and more global.
It's true.
You might have clients in different time zones who speak different languages and have different ways they prefer to communicate. AI can help bridge those gaps and make sure communication is clear and efficient no matter what.
I see. So it's all about making it easier for everyone to connect and do business. It sounds amazing in theory, but wouldn't having 24/7 availability lead to like serious agent burnout? I mean, even the most dedicated real estate agent needs some time to unplug and recharge.
That's a good point. You can't expect agents to be on call all the time.
Exactly.
Right.
So how does AIRE Solutions address that potential problem?
Well, the idea isn't for agents to be constantly available. It's more about using AI to handle those initial inquiries and routine tasks.
Ah, so it frees up agents to focus on the things that really require that human touch, the complex stuff.
Exactly. It's like AI becomes this ultimate filter, handling all the routine things so the agents can focus on building those relationships and having those more meaningful interactions with clients.
It's about finding that right balance, the right way to combine the power of AI with the irreplaceable human element.
Exactly. So to sum it all up, AIRE Solutions is really pushing the boundaries of how AI can be used to make clients happier and want to stick around in the world of real estate. And they're doing that by focusing on super fast response times, consistent and personalized follow-ups, and making communication better across languages and time zones.
It's pretty impressive stuff. I mean, they're really thinking about the whole picture and how to use AI to improve the experience for everyone involved.
Right. It really is. And it makes me wonder, as AI gets more and more integrated into the real estate industry, how can we make sure it stays a tool that helps us build stronger human connections instead of replacing those connections altogether?
That's a question worth pondering. It's like, where's the line? We've seen all the potential good that AI can bring to real estate.
Yeah.
But as we move forward, we need to think carefully about how to use this technology responsibly and ethically. Because in the end, real estate is all about people, and we don't want to lose sight of that.
Couldn't agree more. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive. It's been a fascinating conversation.
My pleasure. Always